Continue. We have the opening of goods with PR number 2025031019, PR number 2025032020, and PR number 2025030121. Okay. For PR number 2025032019, sige, 21 ko.
Okay, for PR number 2025-03-019, we have 3 suppliers who submitted their quotations. Namely, for SG Enterprises, GF Fiesta Construction and Supplies, and GM Mill Construction and Supply. The approved budget for the contract is 112,480 pesos only. Okay. Lamang i-proceed na lang ito sa usapan. Okay, the bill submitted by 4SG Enterprises is 112,000 pesos only. For 4SG Enterprises, bid amount is 112,000 pesos only. For GF Fiesta Construction and Supplies, the bid amount is 111,800 pesos only. 111,800 pesos only. And for GM Mill Construction and Supply, the bid amount is 111,500 pesos only. 111,500 pesos only.
For PR number 2025-03/020, we have 3 bidders. For 1 bidders, we have Negros Monthly Parts Sales Incorporated, bid amount for approved budget is 100,800 pesos only. For the bid amount of Negros Monthly Parts Sales Incorporated, please. 100,000 pesos only. For FAE Bacolod Incorporated, bid amount is 100,400 pesos only. And the last is PGL Auto Center Incorporated. Bid amount is 900,200 pesos only. 99,200 pesos only.
0.030321.
Ma'am?
With TC of
Yes, ma'am.
180,520. We have three suppliers. R2 supplies and equipment trading with a bid amount of 180,410 pesos. GT and Sons Trading with amount of 180,420. Ano pala ang gamit ko? May tent naman sa roadside assistance.
Kasi manasanda.
And RD Marketing with a bid amount of 180,400. Okay, so we have the result for PR number 2025-03019, lowest bidders. Okay.
Yes, ang Gmail.
With
Supply
a
with a bid amount of 111,200.
Okay, for PR number 2025-03020, the lowest bidder is
99,200.
the PGL
Oh,
with a
99,200.
bid amount of 98,200, and for the PR number 2025-0321, the lowest bidder is Harding Marketing with a bid amount of 180,400. So, any question, comment? If there is none, the bidding is now adjourned.